from the Delafield Quilt Company. Today's video is a little different because it's just a wrap-up, and it's a wrap-up of the 2024 Quilt Along. This was a 9-week series where I show how to make 9 different star blocks. If you missed the series but you still want to sew along, there's plenty of time because I have everything, including the instructions and a link to all of the videos on our website at delafieldquiltco.com. You would just click on Quilt Alongs and then choose the 2024 Quilt Along. I will show some footage of how I finished the quilt, and I also just want to share that I did put a border on mine, and I ended up cutting these strips 3.5 inches wide. So if you want a similar size quilt, you just need to cut your strips 3.5 inches, and I used the same fabric as I did the background fabric. And for the backing, I decided to actually use that center star and use that pattern that was in the center of there, and I just recreated on a much bigger scale on the back. And I think that turned out pretty nice. All right, here's a picture of how the entire quilt looks now that it's all quilted. So if you watched the entire series, I am very curious about which block was your favorite. If you don't mind putting in the comments below your favorite block from the 9-week series, I'd appreciate it. And here is a look of those 9 blocks again. And to finish out this video, I'm just going to show some footage of how I put the whole quilt together, and then I'm going to go back in time and just do a really quick run through of all the stars that we sewed this summer. And if you're sewing along and not finished yet, that is okay. I'm going to pick out some music for this video in case you need a little bit of motivation to finish your quilt. Thank you so much for watching the video and sewing along. Have a great fall.